This is how I make videos. This is how I make videos. Most of the time my videos are used by my own digital camera, and I don't have a really fancy camera, and it doesn't really have a lot of, doesn't have a great microphone, so that's why I'm using this microphone. I use Microsoft Movie Maker. I've got a regular PC, I'm not one of the Mac geeks. I use the regular sound recorder. I do a lot of editing. I don't really use anything fancy. I'll pick up some sound bits and I'll use some music. I've tried to stop using the copyrighted stuff. Yeah, so there's a lot of editing to the videos, and then if I'm making cartoons, I'll use the PaintShop Pro animation thing, whatever it's called, and then I'll use PaintShop Pro or Adobe Photoshop, and I'll make my little cartoons and stuff in there. Everything else is just, I try to do it with Microsoft Movie Maker or just my regular camera and whatever I'm making up.